Welcome all of you in CMS Trust Education channel. Students, here we are studying about atomic structure chapter. In this chapter, firstly we can study about what is atom. The atom can be described by John Dalton by its theory, Dalton's atomic theory. What is the point of Dalton atomic theory? Here we can study about them. Dalton says matter is made up of extremely small particles is called atom. That means if we have any substance, then the smallest particle of the substance is known as atom. We can understand about this. If we have marker, then the smallest particle of the marker is known as atom. In easy language, we can say the smallest particle of any substance is known as atom. The second point of Dalton's atomic theory is atoms are indestructible. That is, atom can neither be created nor be destroyed. That means एटम को ना तो क्रिएट कर सकते हैं ना ही डिस्ट्रॉय कर सकते हैं. एटम इज द स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल दैट टेक पार्ट इन केमिकल रिएक्शन. दैट मीन्स जो एटम होता है वो केमिकल रिएक्शन में पार्टिसिपेट करता है. Atom of same substance are identical in all respects. In all respects means atoms are same in size, volume and chemical properties. In fifth point, atom of different substance are different in all respects. That means if we have one iron atom and one plastic substance, then the atom of iron substance and plastic substance it is different in all respects like size, shape, chemical properties, etc. Atom combine each other to form compound atom. Dalton says atom combine each other to form compound atom, not molecules, because that time nobody can tell the definition of molecule. So in that time atom combine each other to form compound atom. Here we can study about the Dalton's atomic theory. But what is the use of Dalton's atomic theory? The use or application we can study in Dalton's application of Dalton's atomic theory. The application of Dalton's atomic theory in law of chemical combination, but not in Gay-Lussac law. Second, limitation of Dalton's atomic theory. What is the limitation of Dalton's atomic theory? Why it is not considered yet? The limitation of Dalton's atomic theory is that matter is made up of extremely small particle called atom, but now atom can be divided in three smallest particle: electron, proton and neutron. Electron, proton and neutron. So now we cannot say the atom is the smallest particle. So this first point of Dalton's atomic theory is not considered. What is the second limitation? The discovery of isotopes and isobars. The fourth and fifth point are also wrong. Why? When discovered isotopes of hydrogen 1H1, 1H2 and 1H3. The discovery of isotopes of hydrogen, protium, deuterium and tritium. Everybody knows the same substance are not identical. Dalton says the same substance are identical, but the discovery of isotopes, it is considered that the same substance are not identical. You can say protium, deuterium and tritium is not same in physical and chemical properties. Same. Fifth point is also wrong, which is atom of different substance are different. Atom of different substance are different, but the discovery of isobar, it is considered that different substance are also be same. Here the example are argon, the atomic number are 18 and atomic mass is 40, and calcium 20 and 40. They are different substance, but their atomic mass are same. So its fixed point are also not considered. In 6 point, atom combine each other to form compound atom, but now we can know atom combine each other and form molecule. Here we are studying about the Dalton's atomic theory, application of Dalton's atomic theory, and limitation of Dalton's atomic theory. In next video, we can study more about the atomic structure chapter. In next video, we can study about the discovery of electron, proton and neutron. So students, अगर आपको ये हमारी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो इसे सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, और यदि कोई कमेंट है तो वीडियो में उसे बताएं। घर पे रहें, सुरक्षित रहें। धन्यवाद।